In 2025, Apple is once again rewriting the rules of portable computing with the arrival of the much-anticipated M5 iPad Pro, a device that's already sending shockwaves across the tech community even before its official release. From secret factory leaks to unboxing videos mysteriously appearing online, everything we've seen so far paints a picture of a product that's not just another yearly refresh, but a glimpse into Apple's AI-driven future. Imagine holding a machine that can outperform most laptops, render 3D graphics in real time, edit 4K footage effortlessly, and learn your habits faster than ever before. That's what the M5 iPad Pro promises to deliver. Powered by the next-generation Apple Silicon M5 chip, built on an advanced 3nm architecture, this tablet is more than just powerful, it's intelligent. Reports suggest that the M5 chip brings an impressive 15% boost in CPU performance and a staggering 35% leap in GPU speed compared to the M4, offering raw power that turns demanding creative tasks into smooth, instant experiences. But it's not just about performance. It's about the experience. Apple's engineers have tuned this chip for cutting-edge AI acceleration, giving the M5 iPad Pro the ability to handle real-time photo enhancement, predictive text generation, machine learning, and even offline generative AI features, all while maintaining energy efficiency that keeps battery life solidly in the all-day category. The neural engine inside the M5 has been upgraded to handle trillions of operations per second, meaning tasks like voice recognition, photo correction, and app optimization happen faster than your eyes can blink. And while that's impressive, Apple has reportedly managed to pack all this into an even sleeker design that feels impossibly thin and futuristic in the hand. Early leaks suggest the M5 iPad Pro retains the stunning flat-edge design introduced with the M4, but introduces slight refinements, narrower bezels, a subtly repositioned camera, and a more polished matte aluminum finish that screams premium minimalism. Apple's design team seems obsessed with perfection, pushing every curve and contour to achieve that signature blend of sophistication and durability that no other brand can quite replicate. Now, let's talk display, because this is where Apple's magic really shines. The M5 iPad Pro is rumored to feature an advanced OLED display with a dynamic refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz using ProMotion technology, delivering buttery smooth visuals whether you're sketching, scrolling, or streaming. The contrast ratios are off the charts, the blacks are deeper, the whites brighter, and the colors more lifelike than ever before. For artists, designers, and filmmakers, this means true-to-life color accuracy and HDR brilliance that rivals professional monitors. And if that wasn't enough, sources claim Apple is working on fine-tuning the display for extended outdoor visibility and energy-efficient brightness control, ensuring your screen stays vibrant even under direct sunlight. Combine that with Apple Pencil's near-zero latency and new rumored haptic feedback system that mimics the texture of paper. And it's clear that Apple isn't just updating the iPad, it's redefining how humans interact with digital creativity. The M5 iPad Pro might very well be the most immersive creative tool ever made, but Apple doesn't stop at visuals. They want the device to feel smarter too. Multiple leaks hint at Wi-Fi 7 support, next-gen Bluetooth connectivity, and Thunderbolt 5 for ultra-fast file transfers and external display capabilities. This could mean professional-grade workflows, like editing footage straight from an SSD or connecting to dual 6K monitors, all powered by a single sleek tablet. The new Magic Keyboard, reportedly redesigned with a larger trackpad and a sturdier hinge, transforms the iPad into what many are calling the MacBook of the future. The typing experience is said to be more tactile and responsive, and Apple is rumored to be integrating backlit function keys for quick access to shortcuts, a long-requested feature by power users. On the camera front, the M5 iPad Pro is taking another step forward. Despite early rumors of dual-front cameras, leaked prototypes confirm a single ultra-wide front sensor optimized for landscape use, perfect for FaceTime calls, live streaming, and video conferencing. The rear camera, however, is expected to receive a major sensor upgrade, enhanced low-light performance, 4K ProRes recording, and improved stabilization that could make this tablet a legitimate mobile filmmaking tool. Apple's new image signal processor inside the M5 chip will reportedly allow real-time AI photo correction, automatically adjusting lighting, tone, and sharpness on the fly. Imagine shooting cinematic clips, editing them directly on the same device, and exporting them in seconds without ever touching a laptop. That's the vision Apple seems to be chasing. iPadOS is also rumored to evolve alongside the hardware, introducing smarter AI integrations like background object removal, real-time translation, and predictive multitasking. Apple might even debut something called IntelliDock, an adaptive dock that reorganizes your most used apps based on your workflow habits. And if that sounds futuristic, wait till you hear this. There are whispers that Apple could integrate parts of its upcoming generative AI system, codenamed Apple Intelligence Pro, directly into the M5 iPad Pro, letting users generate visuals, summaries, and ideas right from within native apps. This is Apple's silent war against the growing dominance of cloud-based AI tools. Their goal is clear: do everything on device, securely, privately, and instantly. As for battery life, insiders say Apple has worked some serious software magic to keep the M5 iPad Pro efficient despite all its raw power. While the numbers might remain similar, around 10 to 12 hours of typical usage, real-world endurance could feel much better thanks to adaptive refresh rates, intelligent app throttling, and AI-driven energy management. Plus, new fast charging support might push up to 60W, allowing users to reach 50% charge in just half an hour. For a device this thin, that's an impressive feat. When it comes to pricing and availability, most reports agree that the M5 iPad Pro will launch in late October 2025, alongside the M5 MacBook Pro, with pre-orders expected to go live within days of announcement. Starting prices are rumored to begin around $1,990 for the 11-inch model and $1,490 for the 13-inch version, scaling up depending on storage options that go from 256GB all the way up to 2TB. The base model will reportedly ship with 12GB of unified memory, a generous jump from the previous 8GB, ensuring smoother multitasking and better performance across demanding apps. And yes, Apple is said to be offering optional cellular configurations, supporting faster 5G bands and improved antenna, designed for stronger signal reliability. But perhaps what's most interesting isn't the specs, it's the strategy. Apple seems to be quietly positioning the M5 iPad Pro as a bridge between two worlds: the mobile simplicity of iOS and the professional depth of macOS. With rumors of expanded desktop mode, users might soon experience a Mac-like multitasking environment when connected to external monitors, complete with resizable windows, customizable taskbars, and even native Final Cut and Logic Pro enhancements. This could be the closest we've ever seen to a full Mac experience on an iPad. For professionals, that's a dream: ultimate power, freedom, and portability. But for Apple, it's part of a bigger plan, to make the iPad the central hub of their ecosystem. Through what's rumored to be called Continuity Ultra, the M5 iPad Pro will be able to interact more deeply with other Apple devices, instantly sharing screens, syncing projects, and even extending your Mac display wirelessly in full 120Hz. Imagine editing a photo on your Mac, continuing on your iPad, then previewing it in AR using Vision Pro, seamlessly, without touching a cable. That's the kind of experience Apple wants to sell, one where technology fades into the background and creativity takes center stage. Still, no product is without its skeptics. Some fans argue that Apple could have done more to revolutionize the design or differentiate it further from the M4 model. Others are worried about the steep price tag, especially since the M4 is still incredibly capable. But for those who crave the absolute best, for those who push the boundaries of what's possible on a tablet, the M5 iPad Pro feels like a clear statement. This is Apple's most powerful and intelligent iPad ever. And maybe that's enough. Because when you look at Apple's evolution, every generation builds on the last, not with loud revolutions, but with quiet precision. Every chip, every feature, every decision moving us one step closer to a future where the line between laptop and tablet disappears completely. The M5 iPad Pro embodies that future. It's not just about specs. It's about vision. It's Apple's declaration that creativity, productivity, and intelligence can all live inside a single device that